Hello guys, welcome back to Hacky Nerds. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the command nano and touch. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into it.
This is the future.
Let's open the terminal. So first we'll discuss about the command nano. So nano is a simple and easy to use text editor which comes pre-installed in most of the Linux distributions nowadays. So command nano is used for creating and editing the content of the file. So let's see how we can use the command. So type nano followed by the file name. So let's type f.txt and hit enter. So as you can see, a simple text editor opened inside of our terminal. Now let's type some of the text inside of this. Now we will explore some of the shortcuts of this nano text editor. Here you can see the star. It means that file is not saved yet. So press Ctrl O and hit enter to save the file. And you can also press Ctrl X to exit. Now let's again open the file, and here you can see the line is going on and on the right side. Right. So how we can convert these into the one paragraph? So to do this, just put your cursor on the line and press Ctrl J. As you can see, it has justified the paragraph. Again go to the new line, press Ctrl J. Is Ctrl J, Ctrl J, and Ctrl J. As you can see, it has justified all of the content. And now let's print Ctrl O to save the content. Now we can also search the text inside of the file by using Ctrl W. So press Ctrl W and let's say I want to search Lauren and hit enter. As you can see, it has selected the text, right? I mean highlighted the text. Now let's say I want to replace some of the text. I want to search the text and then replace it. Then we can do it by pressing Ctrl and backslash at the same time. And now type the word which you want to replace. So I want to replace this donec word. Type DONEC and here type the word with which you want to replace it. So let's say I want to replace this word with Hacky Nerds and hit enter. It is saying that it replaces this instance. So if we type yes here, then it will only replace this one. But if we type A here, then it is going to replace all of the donec word which are available in the text file. So let's type A. As you can see, it is replaced here and also here. Now we can also cut and paste the text inside of this file. So let's say I want to cut this part. Then select the part and press Ctrl K. So it cut the part, and now let's say I want to paste it somewhere here. Then press Ctrl U. So it's that easy. Now let's save the file, hit enter. So yeah, all of these changes are saved right now. So these are all the basic uses which you can use in day-to-day life. Now if you want to explore more features, then you can just type Ctrl G and it will open the help menu, from where you can explore more commands and more shortcuts. And now let's press Ctrl X to go back and Ctrl X to exit. So those were the basic features of the nano command. Now let's move to the touch command. So what the touch command does is create multiple files at the same time. And we can also use the command to change the last access and modification time of the file. By that I mean, let's say ls-la. So this was the last modification time of the file f.txt, right? We can change the time also. But first, let's see how to create multiple files at the same time using command touch. So type touch followed by all of the files name which you want to create. File1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt, and let's add one more, file4.txt, and hit enter. Now again type ls-la to list all of the files. So now as you can see, it has created all of these files in no time. Now let's discuss about the timestamp feature, how we can change the last modification time of the file f.txt to whatever we want. For that, there is a custom format which you are gonna have to use. So let's type touch-help and hit enter. So here you can see the format which is provided. We can only use this format, and the flag for changing the timestamp is -t. So let's see how we can use this. Type touch-t, and the CC stands for century, YY for year, month, date, hour, minute, and seconds. So let's type 2023, the year, and the month will be, let's say, January. The date will be, let's say, 21st. Hours are 05, minutes would be also 05, and the second we can provide whatever we want, 23, as the seconds are optional. And type the file name. In our case, it's f.txt, and hit enter. Now what was the timestamp before? It was February 25, 1616, right? Now let's again print this, ls-la, and hit enter. As you can see, it has changed to January 21 and 0505, which we provided here. Alright, so those are the basic usage of touch command. So that's all for both of these commands. Now if you want to explore more feature of these commands, then type man followed by the name of the command. So let's say nano and hit enter. And here you can see the complete documentation of the command nano. And press Q to exit. And also type man touch to read the complete documentation of the touch command. Press Q to exit. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, then don't forget to like the video and share this with your friends. And for more amazing content like this, subscribe to Hacking Nuts. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.